Carnival Cruise Line, ticker symbol CCL, will be reporting earnings tomorrow morning, September 29, before the market opened. So today, September 28, is the last day to trade earnings. And so as usual, we will take a deeper look at what the data on unusual options activity is pointing towards. Is it bullish, going long, or bearish, short? So let's take a look, without further ado, at the data. Here we have the options time and sales tape. We can see here we have 4,500 unusual options at the 16 strike calls expiring October 20. This is 11:36 second mark. We also have these 2,383 contracts here for the 16 strike and 17 strike expiring tomorrow, September 29. So these are definitely earnings trades here. And we can also see that there's actually another 1,000 of these here and here, which was also done at the simultaneously the same time. So these are the same type of trade. So it's essentially 3,383 because it's the same expiration cycle and strike prices. So let's take a look at the 4,000 first, and then we'll take a look at the 3,000 to see what this could mean for Carnival Cruises. So let's take a look at the options chain, October 20s. We see here the 16 strike calls, and we see the volume here, 10,900. And so if you've been following this channel, you know that this is less than the open interest of 41,000. So these could be trades where they are buying to close. And if they are buying it to close, then that would still mean that they are bullish. And the reason being is if they are buying it to close, that would mean that they had originally sold it to open, which was bearish. So by buying it to close it, that means they are no longer bearish anymore. And if they were buying it to open, then you could see that this is also bullish. So in both cases, this is bullish for Carnival Cruises, as the price of Carnival Cruise at $14 goes up. You can see the amount of profit increasing on the mouse cursor here. And so that's why this is a bullish long-term trade. You can see here, plus 30 delta. So this is bullish going long. And when we take a look at the other set of unusual options for the September 29th, 16 strike calls, 17 strike calls. This expires one day because it's tomorrow. We can see here the 16 strikes and the 17 strikes. We can see here volume greater than the open interest, and also the 17 strike as well. Both cases greater than. So for these unusual options, we believe they are buying the 16 strike calls and selling the 17 strike call, which is a vertical call spread. And when you analyze this trade, you can see that this is also bullish. As the price goes up, this becomes more profitable. As it goes down, it is a loss with a positive 10 delta. Anything positive is a bullish long trade. Okay, the way we are trading it is slightly different. You can see here we have our positions. For each of our trades, we sold the 15.5 strike calls, 2 for each of our trades, and then bought the 14.5 strike calls and the 16 strike calls. And when you analyze this trade, you can see that this is a butterfly strategy. It's known as the broken wing butterfly. It is also going long because as the price goes up, this also becomes more profitable. And you can see that we have a positive 14 delta here as well, and has the potential to make at least 100%. You can see that over here, it's $26 of profit, and we spent 24. So if you're able to make 26 from investing in 24, that's more than 100% return on investment. And so this is the strategy we're using for this earnings trade. Comment below. What do you think will happen to Carnival Cruise? Will it go up or will it sink down? And if you're interested in our strategies or other stocks to diversify your portfolio, make sure to learn about our membership program, where we share exclusive videos on the data on other stocks as well that are valued more than $1 million and are not as risky as earnings trades, because earnings are always risky. And so that is why we don't put a lot of capital into trading earnings in comparison to other trades that are valued over millions of dollars, when we want to follow the wealthy traders, because we believe they have a lot more information and resources to be able to predict stock price movements, either going up or down. And so we analyze this type of unusual options activity data to make better trades so we can beat the market. All right, hit the join button on our channel homepage to learn more on how you can join to start beating the market. Take care, everybody.